In Finnish, declension means that a root noun acquires one or several suffixes, endings, that indicate its grammatical function. The declension of
Talo on suuri.
this is the basic form.
Talo.
Is used as the subject of the sentence. Translation: the house is large. Genitive:
Talon ovi on avattu. Talon.
shows ownership, the door of the house. Translation: the house's door is open. Partitive:
Odotan taloa. Taloa.
indicates an incomplete whole or a part of something. Translation: I am waiting for some of the house, or for a house in a context where a complete house is not implied. Inessive:
Lapset leikkivät talossa. Talossa.
means in the house. Translation: the children are playing in the house. Elative:
Me poistumme talosta aikaisin. Talosta.
shows movement out of the house. Translation: we are leaving the house early. Elative:
Aion mennä taloon tutkimaan. Taloon.
is used to indicate movement into the building. Translation: I intend to go into the house to inspect it. Adhesive:
Puhelin on talolla. Talolla.
is used for location at or on the house. Translation: the phone is at the house. Ablative:
Hän otti kirjan talolta. Talolta.
indicates taking something from a location. Translation: she took the book from the house. Allative:
Kävelen talolle joka aamu. Talolle.
marks the destination toward which movement is directed. Translation: I walk toward the house every morning. Essive:
Hän esiintyy opettajana, mutta talona. Talona.
expresses a state of being as something. Here it might be used metaphorically or contextually to denote a temporary role. Translation: she performed as a teacher, but in the role of a house manager. Translative:
Vanha tehdas muuttui taideteokseksi, lähes kuin taloksi. Taloksi.
shows transformation into a new state. Translation: the old factory transformed into a work of art, almost like a house.